Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll take you to Le Meridien Goa's room tour. So this is the first time I'm entering the room. So whatever you see, I see it as well. So as soon as you enter, you need to put your card key, and then you have this glass almirah, like glass door almirah that has a iron table, too many of hangers. I haven't seen so many hangers. You have some space on the top, and then you also have an iron. And what is there? Let's check out. There are slippers, shoe shine service is also apparently there. Then you also have this uh, safe, digital safe, and these almirahs, like the sections, the drawers. So this is how it looks. And then on the left hand side, you have this gigantic washroom. Oh, bathroom. And this is how it is. You can check out. And this is a big mirror. And let's see what all they have handed. They have given a hand wash and a body moisturizer. You have these cups, and there's tissue paper, there's dustbin, towel. Okay, so this bathroom also has this hair dryer, and I forgot to show you this because I did not open it. So this is the kit that they're offering. There are two dental kits. You have vanity kit, you have shower cap, and you have comb, and what is this? It's a shaving kit. So I think now I've shown quite a lot. Okay, so this is also a small pot. And you also have here a toilet area. Next to it is a washroom. So this is by bathing area. This is quite a different kind of a layout of a bathroom. You have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Looks like some good of some good brand. You have overhead shower, hand shower. You also have this railing. You also have this place to put soap if you have any. Then again you have this dustbin. Now I will take you inside the room. So this is the main room area, the bedroom area. You can see it's a big king size bedroom. And on the right hand side you have this tea coffee station, water, and what is this? Some coffee maker something, I guess. So you have Delecta's milk and sugar and teas. Again, a lot of drawers with a lot many glasses and different kind of glasses. You also get this, I think, do not disturb thing. I don't know what it is. Okay, it is a opener it is. And again you have some glasses, different kind of glasses. Let me open this up. Also, it's a mini bar, which again is empty. I've seen after COVID mini bars have started remaining empty. This is a big TV, a couch to sit on, a working station, a big chair and a table, lovely carpet, and this beautiful bed. And this is one of the side table next to the bed, which I had forgotten to show, so I'm patching this over, and has this drawer. So now, and this beautiful hanging light thing, which I really find it very interesting in any setup. And okay, so this room is actually connected room, which is of course closed because we've taken just one. This is a side lamp, and that lamp is a hanging one, as you can see. And so I'll also show you the view from the room. So the view is not quite visible, but it's beautiful. I can see mountain ranges from here and quite empty space, a lot of trees. So I like the view. It's not getting blocked by anything. Good morning, friends. So this is the view in the morning. I mean, this is how it looks. And at the night also I had the idea that it is a very open space. Look, and you can look at those mangoes hanging on the tree. And one more thing which I was not able to show you at night is this beautiful wallpaper, which was not quite visible at the night. It's simple, It's quite texture.
Let's go back
also.
to the main
What's that?
video.
And
So
this,
look at
just
these
look
beautiful paintings that they have overlooking
Okay,
their
friends, and they
work
also have this
desk. And they have a
phone and this
telephone,
lamp.
pencil, and a pad, a
So friends,
lamp.
that's it for today. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome content. Thank you.